Rigatoni and Robots, obviously of the pasta and the robot, was the nation's first enrichment academy for kids that offered a combination of the culinary arts combined with science, engineering, robotics, and technology. After a decade of running successful programs as a summer camp basis, I did launch my first brick and mortar in Central California in Bakersfield. It gave me a great opportunity to be able to run this program full-time and offer a program to kids that really just didn't exist anywhere else in the world. I think the concept behind it was so popular because it offers what most kids want, which is a combination of the culinary arts mixed with the science, the engineering, technology. You might come in because you're really into cooking and find that you love engineering and robotics. And that was just really something that wasn't available to kids anywhere in the nation. So at that point, I realized that I had something that the kids loved and the parents definitely wanted. And I made a move to franchise the company nationwide. And right at the cusp of that taking place, the pandemic hit. We held our last class in March of 2020 and closed our doors for good in June. While I'm really grateful for the fact that I was able to move into the corporate world and take some of my other talents while the company had shut down, that love of just being with the kids and offering the program and being innovative and entrepreneurial just never really died. And so after 3 years, we packed everything up, moved it to our home studio, and created an opportunity to be able to film these videos. And in a lot of ways, it gives us an opportunity to extend the audience far beyond the reach that we could have with one facility or multiple facilities. I'm really proud of what we've created and the fact that it makes a difference in kids' lives and an opportunity to enrich them beyond what they typically would get in school and a lot of times at home. I think it's almost a dying art to do the culinary arts. I know as a child, I grew up learning how to cook everything, sitting on a stool next to my grandmother. And in a lot of ways, that's really absent from society today. So it's just a great opportunity to not only bring the spirit of the original facility and business back, but to be able to offer it to a wider audience across the nation and across the globe.